Hey Siri, play me Ice-T by Thames.
That's my jam. Now playing Ice-T by Thames.
Hey, what's poppin' guys? It's jSK here and welcome to a new video. Disclaimer guys, remember in my last video of this iPhone 12, I told you guys that if iPhone makes something different, I was gonna try and do something different for you guys. So let me just break it for you guys straight up. This is none of these are real. None of these are real. So they're actually artworks that was done by me, and for you guys to believe that this was real, I think I passed. It's a pass for me to actually have tried to make the iPhone 12 Pro Max look so much like the actual iPhone 12 Pro Max. And trust me, these colors were hard to find, especially this blue. I had to go around the whole art stores to look for this blue color. And the green, this green, I'm sure I bought you guys with this green. I'm so sure. I'm definitely gonna show you guys videos on how I achieved this. The video is gonna come up next in like the next minute. So a lot of people saw this green and just believed that yes, this guy definitely reviewed the iPhone 12 Pro Max and all of that. And I think the black is also believable, and the red. I think the one I really had issue with was this white, because it was really not just how I expected it to come out. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys really just are not so mad that this is not real. But despite that, I hope you guys really like the fact that I tried achieving something that looks so much like the actual, iPhone 12 Pro Max. And yeah, let's go straight into it. iPhone 12 Pro Max review, guys. Well, actually, it actually feels very handy in the end, and actually, it's a good phone to buy if you're the type that really want to go for a big, large phone. It feels very handy. It feels very smooth and thin. And all right, guys, let's go straight into the video. All right, guys. So this is where the magic happened. So anyways, what I'll be doing right here is I'll be making the as you all know, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and busting you guys out. Anyways, at this point I think you should be clicking on the subscribe button. The subscribe button is right around that area, so click on it. Okay, all right, thank you, and let's get straight into it. Okay. So first of all, guys, major thing here, my cutter, what I used to cut. I got these also. I'm gonna put a link to where you can also get these materials from. I also got this one. Yep, these are also large cutters, also gonna be useful. Then most especially, you need a ruler. That's if you guys are ever gonna want to do what I did today. Anyways, yeah, and my colors, I use this to achieve some of those designs you guys saw, the paintings. And oh yeah, here we have the skins for each of the iPhones. There's a blue, black, white. Yeah, that blue everybody's crazy about. Then this green, and the product red. So you guys see I'm in serious business with this Apple. Anyways, we're gonna get straight into this. And so majorly what I want to show you guys, how I got the flat areas for the phone and the casing is this board right here. I'm also gonna post a link where you guys can get the board from, and in case for any other thing you need the phone. So right now I'll be tearing this open. Really sharp, so I really don't think I should stress it. Yeah, and it's out. That was satisfying. So you want to draw out the shape of your iPhone, right? That's just what we're going to go straight into. You get the shape of the iPhone out first, and I'll be right into that in 2 seconds. Siri, what do you think about Nobody Remix by Joeboy featuring Lakon?
This song is a vibe. Who doesn't love Lakin?
Hey, baby girl, I really wanna put you on. T-shirt, share you go pull up like a handbrake.
Chill. Please, don't let Cabaret come for me, please, okay? Wait, are you also an icon?
Yes, I'm an icon. You know the vibes, K. Do you want to hear the next one?
What next one? Please, let's keep going with our cool and solemn song, okay? Thank you. Just to keep the creativity vibe going, I try to watch some YouTubers' video while making my artwork, and I found iJustin YouTube channel very interesting. Honestly, very interesting. There is something she just does with her songs and instrumental. I mean, who else doesn't watch iJustin? Like, she's so good. Our reviews with iPhone, so good. iJustin, shout out to you. Please give me a shout out back. Alright, so let's have a little bit of chat about this iPhone. So far, it has been a little bit of hype, and I am not always this kind of person that really just want to go for the iPhone because it's iPhone. I think I'll just really look out for if there's really an actual change in the performance and I go for it, or if I've been meaning to change my phone for a new fresh feeling, a new memory space and all of that. That's like one of the major reasons why I go for the new iPhones. So looking at this iPhone 12 Pro, I think it has some features that is definitely gonna make me buy it, and trust me, I'm gonna make the pre-order for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm not buying all these ones everybody's buying right now because I don't like small phones anymore. I'm a big dog now. Anyways, guys, so the difference I really just feel I'm looking forward to, even if I've not actually tested it, and I didn't buy the Pro version because I didn't want to just touch anyone. Let me have the Pro Max. So with the reviews I've checked, I actually watched iJustin videos and she tested the cameras. I also checked everything Apple Pro. He also checked the durability of the phone, and yeah, MKBHD. So with these reviews from them, it actually gave me an insight to what the Pro Max is going to offer and what really the iPhone has to offer at large. And so far, I think the major things I noticed that will make me want to get this phone is the camera. Then I think I'm really interested in having a phone with that flat edge again, because really I love iPhone 5 when it came out, but then I don't think I could afford it then. But yeah, I did, and having that feeling back again is actually kind of nice because it made the phone just really have this original feel. Then what else? The 5G guys. I really can't wait to, see what that 5G feels like. Everybody's saying it's fast, and I have questions, so I want to just practice the use, and probably he's gonna answer my questions. And what else? Aside from that, I think the 11 Pro Max, which is what I'm using right now, is still able to match with almost other stuff it does. The battery life, the wireless charging. I really have questions with those. At least expect anything less from Apple. I know they are really taking us to different heights with phone experiences, so I'm not holding them back in any adventure they take me to. So really, this is all about my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoy the process of making it. I hope you're gonna share this video. I really wish you subscribe, and definitely I'll keep serving you guys premium to the core maximum high-class content. Trust me, you guys want to see my next videos. All my videos anyways. And I keep on going with this trend at tech review. Let's see where it's going to take me to. So please, if you love this content, give me a comment, smash the like button, and share. It's really going to go a long way for me and also for you. I bet you guys are really going to be proud to see me, finally become the successful YouTuber I want to be. And so far I'm really just grateful with those that have been following me. And we look forward to greatness, guys. Anyways, that's that about my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this. And those looking out for giveaway, yes, I'm gonna give away this. I'm gonna give away all of these, and you guys can do whatever you like. Hang it in your room, give it to your friend, prank someone with it. I think I might make a prank video. Let's try. Let's see where it's gonna work. I'm gonna make a prank video with my friends that I really don't know about it, or those that I know don't watch my YouTube videos. Try to prank them, and let's see what it's gonna be like. If it's gonna be a video, I'm gonna drop the video if it made so much sense. Anyways, thanks once again, guys. It's really been an amazing ride. Let's move to the live jSK. It's up for grabs, so I'm giving out the 5, and all you just have to do to get it is, subscribe, comment in the chat section, and like the video, and definitely share. It's a good thing to share to your friends. Let them see creativity. Empower people like us so that we can be empowered to. All right, never mind. So guys, give it a smash like if you really like this video, and if you like the content, and if you want more content like this. And definitely I'm coming up with one more. I'm never gonna tell you what it's all about, but you're just gonna see the video, yes, this guy is back again. So I'm actually thinking of making this like an art craft, and sell it out. Let me know what you guys think about this. Having it probably, you frame it or hang it in your house and put it around somewhere on your table. Make people just feel like, oh, is that an iPhone? And they'll be like, oh no, it's not, it's just a dummy. And it should be quite very cheap to afford and to ship down to you too. Anyways, so this is that about the iPhone 12 Pro Maxes. What else? I have some other minor gadgets that I'm gonna review, and I'm gonna give away 1 or 2 out of them. So you guys should just stay tuned and stay posted on this channel. Stay jiggy. Just wait. I'll serve you nicely. You're gonna enjoy this. You're gonna enjoy this YouTube something. It's a magic place right here. So just do me the favor of subscribing. I'm gonna see you guys. later.